it going? It's Joe with the Crawl. You might know this familiar face to my left. We had a little rendezvous last year, but we made up. He was my manager, and stuff happened, but that's the past. But now let's focus on the Crawl. This is Cooking with Stupid. He's got mainly on Facebook. You are right.
That's our bread and butter. Is our Facebook show. We're live every Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go check us out. We do a live cooking show every Sunday, like I just said. The last Sunday of every month, we do a big charity auction. So far, we've been doing that for 3 years now. We've raised over $55,000 for various charities. And January 15th, we're having our 5-year anniversary show where we're just giving shit away.
What's this month?
This month's charity is going to be 100% of the proceeds are benefiting the Randolph Animal Shelter, where we adopted our dog, Precious the Wonder Dog, from.
And talk about Randolph. We are at Fort Nonsense, 220 Franklin Avenue or Road. Yeah, there we go. And we already had a feature on Cooking with Stupid. Now we're on the Curl Drinks, but we're collaborating. Just like breweries, they love to collaborate, and I like to collaborate as well. We picked a couple of flights. This is my second flight here. I went a little bit lighter to the darker. The stout is 12.4%. I went with the Pilsner, the Coast, the Saison, and the Stout, just to change things up from the first round. And I figured this one would probably definitely be the end of it all. But I wanted to feature Cooking with Stupid because we were talking about running with nonsense, and you described the taste of it.
Yeah, I was here a few weeks ago, and they had a Pilsner out. It was America Runs on Nonsense. And it was a blueberry coffee Pilsner, and it was phenomenal. I've never been here before. I'm coming back all the time now. I went with a little fruitier selection this time. So my first selection I chose was the Back Off Man. I'm a Scientist Sour. This is a blue raspberry, orange, tangerine, lactose ale. The next one is a Jet Fuel Porter. It's an espresso peanut butter. I already sampled a little before we started. This one is the Pasta Cranberry Sauce Sour Ale, and I'm going to finish off with the Old Brookside Raspberry Sour Ale. These are I've already sampled them, as you can see, but they're phenomenal. You guys, you got to come down here, Fort Nonsense, 220 Franklin Ave in Randolph, New Jersey.
And they switched locations. They used to be on Route 10. Now they're on Quaker Church, like Franklin, just off of Quaker Church. But this is a bigger, more industrial place than the last one. It's a little bit more intimate. This one's wide open. Right in front of us, there's a big party going on. They brought a lot of pizzas. They can't serve food here because it's a brewery in New Jersey. So definitely bring food if you want to get slushed, and definitely have a ride to back you up to get home.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, you have a contest coming up, don't you?
Yeah, so guys, right now, as you can see, I'm sporting some of our merchandise. If you go to our Facebook page, this is the most comfortable sweatshirt hoodie I've ever had in my life. If you go to our Facebook page, you find the link. So right now what we're doing is, if you buy any of our merchandise, anything, we got hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, baseball shirts, baby onesies, cell phone cases, you name it, we got it. We teamed up with tpublic.com. Post a fun, cool, unique picture of you with your merchandise. The contest closes January 1st. Joe is going to be our guest judge for the contest. And the most original fun picture that he chooses, you're going to win a $100 gift card.
$100?
$100 MasterCard, Master Visa gift card. All you got to do is buy our crap.
And we already got a couple submissions, and I already have a top 3. Well, how about you?
Yeah, your
you
top
already
3.
You already have a winner.
There's one that was just
so you got to beat that.
Park. Yeah.
Should we dive into this?
Yeah, let's go.
I mean, you already dove into this.
I already did, but I'll keep going.
Let's keep on diving. Yours is a little bit different than mine, so.
Yep. So mine's the Back Off Man. I'm a Scientist Sour, blue raspberry, orange.
And I got the Project Lola Pilsner, if I could speak.
That's my favorite right now. Like, no lie.
Yeah, you've been riding that one. That's the second one, ladies and gentlemen.
It's got a good sour finish to it. The raspberry isn't so in your face, and it's a very subtle orange flavor to it. Yours though?
Yeah, clean, crisp, everything you expect from the Pilsner, nice and light. Once again, I'll go reiterate, I'm working up to the stout, so I wanted to go a little bit lighter on the front end, and this is definitely drinkable, crushable, an all-day drink. Let's go to the second one.
Yeah. Up next, I have the Jet Fuel Porter. This is an espresso peanut butter.
I really wanted to try that.
Yeah.
And I got the Baron Kolsch. Again, it's going to be similar, but yet different to the Pilsner, crushable and light. So let's take a sip.
Yeah.
Cheers. The slight difference from this one to this one, this has a little bit more of a tang to it, than a little bit more of a kick on the way down than this one. This one's a little bit more cleaner because of the Pilsner. A little bit more, just 1% lighter than the Kolsch.
Now, this is the Jet Fuel Porter Espresso. Now, it says espresso with peanut butter. There is the faintest whisper of peanut butter, but the espresso really comes through. So if you're an espresso fan and you like a porter, that's your. It's a nice after dinner beer. I would say that, like an after dinner porter, that would be phenomenal.
I like an after dinner beer.
This would go good with steak.
Ooh. I was going to ask you, what kind of drinks would you pair with like food, since you're the food guy?
Definitely an after dinner, the Jet Fuel one. I've already had the pasta cranberry sauce. This.
Would that go good with a Thanksgiving dinner?
No, not at all. This would be like a nice dessert. Like this would accompany like a pie, perhaps, like an apple pie maybe. Okay. But yeah, the back off scientist, yeah, this is just for fun. You have this with anyone. That's just there. That's sour.
And I'm going to go to my third drink, the sleeper pick, which is a Saison. I picked it. A lot of things I like to pick because of the name, and the name describes itself as a sleeper pick. It's the least the one that you just would decide on, so I'm just going to sip on it.
Ooh, showstopper.
No, it has a weird little taste. You could probably like describe it better than me.
It smells very familiar.
Yeah.
What's that one?
That's the Saison, the sleeper pick.
It has a very familiar flavor to it.
Yeah.
I can't put my finger on it, but that has a wonderful finish. It almost has like a floral flavor,
yes.
like a floral bouquet to it.
This is why I brought them on.
Yeah. That again, that would pair nicely with like a pasta, like a cream sauce kind of pasta. That would be fantastic.
Oh, with a vodka sauce?
Yeah, possibly like, or like an Alfredo. That was, ooh.
Yeah.
Might be going for a third one here. And again, guys, I had the pasta cranberry sauce. This is a very sweet finish to it. It's made with a honey, a local imported honey.
If we're shouting, that's because once again there's a party going on, so we're trying to project.
We're trying to
I don't know if
overtake
these microphones are working or not, but we'll find out.
Yeah.
All in post.
But yeah, I'm not dissatisfied with anything I'm having thus far.
Yeah.
And then my finisher here is the Old Brookside Sour Ale. This is a raspberry one. And this by far is my favorite. It has a soft note of sour to it. The raspberry is very pronounced. It's a good finish to it. Again, a nice fruity flavor. This would be good like on a nice spring afternoon, sitting on the porch, yelling at your neighbors kind of thing. But I enjoy it. I have yet to dislike anything here.
Everything here has been like really out of the ballpark, so definitely come to Fort Nonsense if you want really good beer. For my last one, my finisher, so many sweet potatoes. I was like, I love sweet potatoes, and they put it in the stout, which is one of my favorite styles, especially around the winter time. It's barrel aged, 12%, so I might need to ride back home.
Yeah, sweet potatoes, vanilla, cinnamon, and lactose.
Wow. Yeah, that you could really.
That's calling you an Uber.
That's calling you an Uber home. You can definitely take the.
That'll take the paint off
barrel.
of Buick.
You can taste the barrel age. You can taste the stout. I don't taste the sweet potato so much.
No.
Yeah, but like.
That's.
It's definitely.
Oh, that's in your face.
Yeah.
That's about as
the
subtle
12%
as a train
definitely
wreck.
kicks you in the face, but it's very nice. I'm definitely probably go and nurse this one and then finish these off first and then save this one for last because it needs to be last. And then I'm probably done after that one, but definitely support your local breweries, drink local, eat local, have a party here. They definitely welcome parties. The more the merrier.
BYOF, bring your own food.
Anything else you want to plug?
No, guys, just, tune in our Facebook page, Cooking with Stupid, live every Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got our contest going on. January 15th, we're having our giveaway, 5-year anniversary. But guys, you got to get down here to Fort Nonsense Brewery, 220 Franklin Ave, Randolph, New Jersey. You will not be disappointed.
Until next time, cheers.
Cheers. Pinky's out.